Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with day 18. I hope you guys are enjoying coming here every day and looking at all the crafty Advent Calendar goodness. You just don't know. This is so much fun for me. I am just having a ball. So thank you for coming back, checking out day 18. Did you see day 17, the tags? Thumbs up. Let's get started. On the 18th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see. Confetti. Oh, look at this. This is really pretty. This one is like a marine blue color. Oh, loving. Look at that colorway. Super pretty. This is flat sequins confetti. And I will put a link at Spellbinders because they sell a lot of confetti. But I'm loving this one. Hopefully they'll carry this one in store because I'd love to get more of this. I love this ocean blue with hits of purple. You seeing it? I have a little bit of sun here, so hopefully you can see all the colors. Pretty. Let's take a look at my example. It's going to be a shaker more than likely. Yay. This is my December 18th example, Under the Sea. I love this card so much. So I am still playing with my stash. So this one was all inspired, the entire card, by that pack of confetti. It just has a really beautiful blue, teal, iridescent under the sea look. It inspired me to just keep going with that theme. So here I'm pulling out a few past Kit Club items. First, I knew I needed the whale, and this is from the large die of the month back in June, whale in a bottle die. I did not use this entire set. I just used the whale right here. And this whale comes together so easy. You just cut this out in white and you cut out this top piece in black or whichever color you wish. I did the black and white whale here. So super cute, and just layered it up, and I'm done with this set. I could have brought in the whole sea life, but I decided not to. I wanted to keep just the whale, the water, and then this time I went into another favorite of mine. This is Postage Edge Ovals. This is Spellbinders Lunar cardstock. It's a mid-grade cardstock. Inside my shaker card, because I made a shaker, I found this pattern paper from my stash. This is actually just a little card front, but doesn't it look like the ocean? The navy, mid blue, and light blue. I think that's perfect against this. I could have done ink blending, but I just wasn't in the mood to ink blend. I wanted to just get into the whole Under the Sea really quickly. So I wanted something light enough to still pick up this color, and I still wanted the depth of being deep in the water. So isn't that nice? In the ocean. So this is my ocean card. I'll cross the ocean for you. That now comes into the clear stamp and die of the month. Now the die that goes with this set is really nice because it cuts around all the sentiments as well. At first I was going to do whale, hello there. But then I liked the I'll cross the ocean for you because of the whole scene I was building. I think that one gives more of that feel. You could do see you soon, what are you up to, seize the day, and all of this too. And there's another whale as well. So if I didn't want to use this one, I could use that one, which I've done before. And I love the coordinating die. As a past Kit Club item, this will be 2 separate purchases. The dies only and the stamp, okay? I'm just having fun with this whale in the bottle. And of course, one of my favorite foundation dies, Postage Edge. Then in the background to finish my card, I'm using this beautiful 3D embossing folder. This one is called Castaway. As you can see here, it has that beautiful fishing net. I thought about using white pigment ink to highlight this, but then I decided not to. I wanted this to kind of recede back and stay in the dark navy, and then everything else pop up with that whale. So if I lightened it up, I thought maybe it would compete too much. I didn't feel like finding out. Sometimes we'll go ahead and do it, then put this on and go, oh no, my gut was saying no, leave it alone. So sometimes you got to listen to your gut. This is a fabulous 3D embossing folder, 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. You would use a universal plate system with this, maybe the one you won on December 12th with the 12 days of giveaways. Put the sentiment there. Then I use some opal gems. Not only am I using this confetti, but I'm also using some black and dark navy and a little bit of silver just to offer a little bit of contrast. I didn't want to use white. I think white would have been too much. in terms of the confetti, but I think this is a nice balance of darker colors, but you can still see them. Alrighty, crafters, so this is December 18. Loving! The embossing folder is fabulous. The stamp set is great. Of course, the die set, out the gate winner. Postage edge just complements it. And now if you have the Advent Calendar, you have confetti to work with it too and inspire you to play. Alrighty, crafters, until December 19th, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!